Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the mask eraser tool to manually draw a mask and erase masks. Now this is a tool that I recently developed, and you can find this tool in the right-click menu of an image such as this one in Region Inspector. So when I right-click the image, I have on the mask, and you can see there's a toggle eraser mode. So let's see what does this tool do. Right now I have an image of a DNA molecule, and if I turn off the transparency of the mask, as you see that the DNA is truncated in two pieces. So in order to connect the DNA, we can either use the mask morphology operation. Here there is an automatic tool called link DNA link fiber. You can do that. That automatically fixes the DNA for you and it connects the DNA. Okay. And you can also use the manual tool. The mask eraser. So let's see. First, let's turn on the mask eraser. Just click that, toggle the eraser mode on. Now you have a circle under your mouse pointer. Now, this is the circle represents the size of the eraser, and you can adjust the size of the eraser by hold Control key and turn the mouse wheel up and down. If you turn it up, the eraser will become bigger. If you turn it down, the eraser will become small. So with the eraser, so right now let's just make it this size, and then you can press the mouse left button and drag the mouse until it reaches that, and then release your mouse. Okay, it connects the DNA. All right. So to turn off the eraser, you can simply right-click that and then toggle this off. Okay, and we're back. Now for this DNA molecule, if we try to trace this DNA molecule, I can click the DNA, and as you can see, it's not tracing. It's not tracing it correctly. It should go upwards, right? It kind of make a shortcut here because the mask is connected here. So we can manually cut it off, right? By using the same tool. So now I just want to show a couple of tricks. You can configure this toggle eraser mode towards keyboard shortcut. Now to do that, you simply go to the miscellaneous tab and then click manage, click keyboard shortcuts. Okay, and yes, let me just do that. Now you can see I have 3 keyboard shortcuts. I have the eraser, and I also have the undo and the redo. And if you want to add another keyboard shortcut, simply click add and click select from all functions and click the tool you want to add as a keyboard shortcut. Right now I have my eraser tool configured as Control E plus E key. And I have my undo as Control and Z, and redo as Shift, Control, and Z. Okay. If you want to reconfigure this shortcut, you can simply click here and just press your keys, and then you have a new keyboard shortcut. So right now I have my eraser tool set as Control E. So I don't have to click this. I just simply press my keyboard, right? Hold Control and E. I get my eraser back. All right. So right now I can zoom in this a little bit, right? For you to see a little better, I can just make the eraser even smaller. Now, if you want to use the eraser mode, right now we are doing it's a drawing mode, right? If you press the mouse and drag the mouse, it's join new masks, right? That's how we connect DNA. If you want to use the eraser mode, you hold the Shift key on the keyboard, then you drag your mouse. Now, yeah, it's disconnected. And to demonstrate the undo and redo button, right, the function. So, okay, for example, if I made a mistake, let's say I inadvertently um, did the wrong thing, right? I disconnected the DNA. So I want to undo that operation. I can either use my keyboard shortcut, right? Control plus Z key, right? I just configure that. Or you can simply click the undo button here. Just undo and redo and undo, right? It all works. So let's turn off the eraser mode. Control E key, right? Turn it off. Now we can just click the DNA. Now you see it's traced as we expected. All right, that's for the tutorial video for using the mask eraser. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.